You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Hey everyone, let's talk about some impressive financial news from Fiserv. Yes, that global fintech giant that's constantly shaping how the world transacts. They've just released their second quarter results for 2025, and the numbers are more than solid. They're a clear reflection of strategic execution, innovation, and continued growth across both their merchant and financial services divisions. To start off, Fiserv reported GAAP revenue of $5.52 billion for Q2, marking an 8% year-over-year increase. That's no small feat in today's fast-evolving financial technology landscape. Even more impressive, both the Merchant Solutions and Financial Solutions segments contributed significantly, growing 10% and 7%, respectively. Year-to-date, the company has pulled in $10.65 billion, up 7% compared to the first 6 months of last year. Now let's talk earnings. GAAP earnings per share rose by 22%, both for the quarter and year-to-date. And on the non-GAAP side, adjusted EPS hit $2.47 for the quarter, a 16% increase. Adjusted revenue also climbed 8% to reach $5.20 billion. That's 2 straight quarters of 8% organic revenue growth, which is a strong signal of underlying business health, not just growth via acquisitions or currency shifts. In terms of profitability, margins tell the real story. Fiserv's GAAP operating margin increased to 30.7%, while adjusted operating margin jumped to 39.6%, up 120 basis points year-over-year. The Financial Solutions segment stood out with an impressive 48.7% adjusted margin, a leap from 45.9% a year ago. One big highlight is their free cash flow N, which reached $1.54 billion in the first half of the year. Combine that with $4.4 billion spent repurchasing nearly 22 million shares, and you get a clear view. Fiserv is confident in its future and investing heavily in shareholder value. Strategically, they're not slowing down. They recently acquired the remaining stake in AIB Merchant Services and made headlines by announcing a digital asset platform, including a new stablecoin, FIUSD, named at giving institutions and merchants secure, scalable access to digital finance. It's bold, it's modern, and it positions them right at the edge of fintech innovation. CEO Mike Lyons summed it up perfectly, saying the results reflect their commitment to client-centric innovation, deeper relationships, and operational efficiency. And looking ahead, Fiserv has refined their 2025 outlook, targeting 10% organic revenue growth and an adjusted EPS between $10.15 and $10.30, which represents 15% to 17% annual growth. So whether you're an investor, a client, or just following the fintech space, Fiserv's latest results show they're not just keeping pace, they're setting it. Keep an eye on this one. Stay subscribed for more videos.